Welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to do I'm excited. Today I'm going to do a polygel set. I've already glued some tips on my practice hand just to save a little bit of time. So Rosalind has sent me over some polygels and some gel polish to have a play with. So they've sent me over a red, a green, these are 15mm tubes, a yellow, and what's the other one? Purple. They've also sent me over these gel polishes. I'm not going to open these or swatch them or anything today. Big 15mm bottles. I like the look of these. I'll do something with them in another video. And I've also got these four. These are glow in the dark. Just going to use the polygel today. So I'm just quickly going to swatch this purple. I have already got the other colours swatched. So I'm just going to show you this purple. It was very soft. I had to work with my brush quite wet. But it is so hot at the minute, guys. It's really hot. And we all know gels get quite soft and runny in hot weather. But just having my brush a little bit wetter, they were fine. Bright, vibrant colours. A lot of rainbow polygel colours can be quite jelly-like and transparent. But look at these. They're really, really opaque. Really strong, vibrant colours. I really like them. So this is the other two that I've got previously, blue and orange. Look at them colours. Love them, especially this time of year. So let's get on with it. So I'm going stiletto today. I'm using Glitter Planet's Easy Tips Clear Stiletto. I'm using my regular brush on nail glue. So just a tiny little bit of glue, stick it on, and then I always hold it at the sides just to make sure them spiky bits are stuck in. Little buggers, them spiky bits off are sticking out. So a quick swipe up the sides with my file, make sure there's none hanging over. And then where it's been glued on, I like to blend that in with the natural nail. And then I'm going to buff off all the shiny surface on all the nails. So I'm going to start with Rosalind's Soft Pink. This is a 60mm tube. Beautiful, beautiful colour this is. And I'm going to do nail beds on all of the nails except the ring finger. So when I'm doing a nail bed, I like to get my cuticle area and side walls nice and neat first. Just leave a little millimetre gap between the side walls and the cuticle area. And then I will just pull it down the middle. Swipe down each side, pull it down the middle, swipe down each side, and just round it off at the end. It's really easy. Just play about with it till you're happy with the shape, but for the most part, yeah, I just swipe down the middle and just keep swiping it in at each side, rounding it off at the tip. And then I'm going to stick that in the lamp for 60 seconds. I'm going to do exactly the same on the other nails except the ring finger. Actually, I'll just show you doing one more and I'll do the pinky off camera. So onto the ring finger now. This is just going to be a full nail of this colour. I love this colour. It's just a beautiful pale pink, isn't it? It's really, really nice. This polygel as well is so nice to work with. It's not sticky. It's not too soft. It was a bit soft today because, like I said, it's really hot. But I've really enjoyed using it the last couple of times I've used it. They've got it in loads of different colours. This one I got off Amazon actually, this big 60ml bottle. If you've not tried them before, I would definitely recommend them. I've got a discount code now as well for Rosalind, guys. I'll pin it in my comments. I'll leave it with the link to the website in my description box as well. That's a new one. So that's them all done. So I'm just going to quickly show you how I file these nail beds. Just a quick file over the top. If you get them as neat as you can before you put them in the lamp, there's really not much filing to do. I just go over the top first, and then I will use a metal file. They're the best thing for this. And just neaten it up. Just get that line nice and crisp, nice and straight. And that's it really. Not much filing at all. And I'm going to get all the others filed as well. So that's them, as if by magic, all filed and all buffed. So I'm just going to use the blue, the yellow and the red. And I'm going to use blue, yellow and red glitter. So this is just a matte hex mix with silver leaf. My favourite, amongst my favourite glitters. I've used them a lot recently. So what I'm going to do with the colours, I'm just going to do like an extra nail bed layer kind of thing. I'm literally just doing a little band around the nail bed that I've already done. So I'm just going to kind of pull it up the side on the right like that. And then I'm going to pull it up the side on the left and round it off at the tip. Just extending that nail bed but with a different colour. That's how I'd explain it. And I'm going to put a red band on the middle nail and a yellow band on the pinky. Like before, I will just show you doing one more and I'll do the other off camera. I'm going to quickly cure that for 60 seconds. So they've been filed as well, just exactly the same way as I filed the pink nail bed. So now I'm using a wet base coat and I'm just going to fill these three edges with glitter. Obviously I'm alternating the colours. I'm going to do blue on this nail. I think I did red in the middle nail and yellow on the blue nail. These are crazy nails, guys, but work with me. They don't turn out too bad. So that's all my glitters cured. Aren't them glitters smart though? They are really cool. So I'm just going to get these encapsulated now. Just the free edge really. I'm using a clear polygel. I'll just show you this one. I'll give them a quick file off camera as well. So that's them all filed, all buffed. They're looking smart already. So I'm going to get these top coated. And what I thought was finished off with a few gems, but I really wasn't happy with them, guys. I didn't like them. So you'll see in a minute, after I put the gems on, what I did. So I've pulled my posh Swarovskis out. How smart are these? My friend Dawn and Alan, Dawn and Alan sent me these. I needed a yellow gem, which I didn't have. But luckily, I had Swarovski yellow gems. So I'm going to whack these gems on here and then I'll show you what I did. So that was me finished, all done. I didn't like them. I thought the nail bed, the coloured bands I put around the nail beds just needed breaking up a bit. So I pulled out Madame Glam's silver chrome paint and I'm just going to do a line straight down the middle and then a line up the right hand side of that coloured band. Yeah, they just, I don't know, they just didn't sit, they didn't sit right, they didn't look right, they needed something extra. They really did. So now I'm just doing some dots, starting with a big dot and making the dot smaller as it goes up the side of the nail bed. And I've done that on the other two nails as well. And they turn out so much better. How much better are they, guys? So much better. I'll stick a picture up before. I think they definitely needed something over them nail beds, didn't they? They just looked weird, I don't know. But they turned out so much better in the end. Anyway, guys, that is it for today. Rosalind website and discount code will all be in my description box. Please remember to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And hopefully I'll see you all back in my next one. Take care, bye.